Well, I had a major brain fart today. I decided to go out and rototill a garden. Took out the rototiller, and this rototiller, it's an old rototiller. It's been in my family for close to 50 years, well 45 at least. And I took it out, I started her up, and started rototilling. The one thing I forgot to do was check the oil. Well, the entire rototiller stopped, and I went to restart it, and it was completely seized. The ripcord would not pull. It was completely seized right up. And I decided to do some research, and I will show you how I was able to fix it. So the first thing I did was, of course, put oil in it. So I had some of my lawnmower engine oil in the shed, and I topped it back up again, right up to the full mark. And the research that I had done said that this was the product to use, that this will unseize any engine. So what I did was take the spark plug out, like that, and then proceeded to spray this blaster directly into the spark plug hole. And I put a fair amount into there, and I left it sit overnight. And then in the morning, this morning I came out again and gave it another liberal shot right into the hole. I'll let that sit for another 5 minutes or so. And then put the spark plug back in. Tighten it up. Now, the front, this was still completely locked. You could not pull it out. So what I did was take the front cover completely off. So simply removed the bolts that hold this cover in place. That was able to expose the shaft, and then with my pliers I was able to grab on, and then I was able to begin to work it so that it was a little bit tough at first, but I just continued to apply pressure, and slowly it was able to start it was completely stuck. And the more I worked it, the more I was able to get it to give. Once I've had the cover back on, I took one of these are little medicine syringes, and I put it into my gas can, and I retrieved just a little bit of gas, and I had taken off the spark plug, and I dropped about a milliliter of gas right down into the spark plug hole. see, it did the trick and completely unseized the engine. And that's how I was able to fix a seized engine that was completely useless. And I thought at first that I would have to, that was it, that the rototiller was done, but that's how I fixed it.